Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing. I was at Wonderfest and picked up a few Star Blazer kits. This one here, I think I got from Colt TV Guy or Colt TV Man. It's the Space Battleship Yamato 1000 series. This is the final battle version. Very cool kit. They do have bigger versions, which I'll see how this one goes, and maybe I'll move up to like a 500 or a 350. Those you can get really crazy with the motorized guns and all that stuff. I'll have to price out to see what it comes to, but I figured this would be nice. Um, this one I did get at Wonderfest. This is the UNCF AAA class set, and it comes with the 5 of the ships like that, and I'm almost done with those. They're just small ships about yay big. But let's open this up. Well, box art is always nice, as always. We got really awesome pictures of the ship on the side. Get side views, top views. What else we got going on? All the little features. Here's just a continuation of the box art. And here's more. It has a different display base here that you can have it up on this, or you have the normal like ship stand right here. And then there it is against its sister ship, which I do have this kit as well. So it's going to be cool to have them two together. But let's open her up. I'm not going to open this. I'm going to work on next week. I'm just going to do a simple build. You can get a light kit for it. It does have, supposedly, by just looking through here, it does have the LEDs that are in these little spheres, which will light up that cannon in the front, the waves cannon. I guess that's what it is. Forgive my ignorance of the show. I haven't seen this show since I was little and didn't really follow it, but their ships were always cool. So it looks like it comes with those that take the LR-41s. Takes double of those, so that I believe if it's just like its sister ship goes and lights up a clear part that does the waves engine. Yeah, right there. And then the other one, not sure what the other one's for. No, because usually, and then there's another full-on light kit with a box, and it has 2 LEDs that I think plugs in for the main engines. They're showing one coming up through here and going there and there. Yeah, and that's for the main engines. And if it's what I think it is, it has the clear plastic. It lights up one and then sends it around. Oh no, this has a single engine in the back, so, and it might have the little ones down below. Yeah, it has the little ones down below. So one of them, one LED price supplies light to the little ones down below, and then the main top one. So, but I'm not going to open up all these bags because there's a lot of little parts that can get lost. They give you some water slides, and then you got some stickers, which are probably for the base because they're in that black and chrome sticker. So that probably goes on the base. But this looks like a lot of the main cannons, the main guns and stuff. I don't know if you can motorize these guns. I mean, I do see this spinning wheel, so I don't know if there was a motor you can get in there and it makes the gun spin. I don't know. I know the bigger ones you can. And since everything in this is Japanese, yeah, you're kind of flying blind. You're going by pictures. Because everything is in Japanese. This here looks like more parts to a stand, and then you got some orange, clear, transparent parts that are going to be using to light the engines. That the LEDs will hit and then glow. That's how Bandai does it. Here's the stand that you can have it like it's flying. which is pretty cool. You could really do this up with some stuff. And then this is the base where you can set it down, and there's the little fighter jets that you can stick in these areas that it comes with. And it looks like they use this stand for the other version that has a big piece here sitting. But that's your other basic ship stand. And then here's your red parts to the lower hull. And here's some parts to your upper, your thrusters there. There's your upper deck, where your big guns go there. And there's where your rear one goes. So it's going to be a pretty decent ship if you just go by that and that. Plus, I know there's still some length to it. So that's going to be perfect. Yeah, because here's your main. Now why 2? That's very interesting. See, these are things I'm going to have to figure out, and it's going to be hard because there's no... There's got to be different versions of this ship. I see a bunch of holes up here, and I see difference in how the cannons mount on there. Like I said, I'm all new to this, so... They're saying as far as this kit, you don't need all that stuff, just that stand. And on that part, you don't need any of that. So I wonder if it gives you the option to build the regular one, and then you have the final battle one, where they probably more heavily armored it. That's what I'm thinking. Since they're exactly the same ship, except for a couple additives, I bet you that's what they did. The final battle one probably has all this. And that's why they're always giving me the final battle pictures. But if you want to build the original version, I guess, you would do this version, where it doesn't have all the extra added turrets on the main guns and all the extra ones here. That's what it's got to be about. So I'm sorry it took me that long to figure out all that. Yeah, see here they're probably talking about the additives to this ship, because they have circles over everything. And I bet you that's what it's about. But again, yeah, I'm not seeing the LEDs. The one I do have the one kit I do have this. I don't have the big light box. You got to buy that separate. I don't have this light box, which has a power. There's your battery part. There's your power switch, and then this cable. I don't have that, but it did come with these. But I'm not seeing these in this kit. And probably like I said, probably the difference between this and the old kit, they probably did the guns this way and they switched it up for them to be easier to spin. I don't know. That's what I'm assuming is the main difference, why they spike in and then these don't. They're using parts from an older kit or something. Older mold. But yeah, I'm not seeing these. A2 I am, and that's the part of the kit you snap that in. But I believe in the other kit it had this like separated, I believe. So it's not telling me a part number. And that also has a little screw to screw the battery back on it, and I'm not seeing anything that have little screws, and you would need at least one. And then this is taken care of by that light kit. And then you need, what, a second one to go up. Here that shines up into the tower. So you would need at least two of them. So that's simple. I can get 2 simple LEDs and turn everybody on from one switch from the bottom. This way, this one you can just lift this top off. You can hit those 2 switches, and then you go down and take that off, and you can hit the light box here. But well, I'm making this video way too long. I wanted this just to be a quick, little look at this kit. I'm probably gonna start this come beginning of next week. It's Wednesday, so this is gonna our work is on what they call a shutdown for the 4th of July. So I'm just gonna snap this guy together and see if I can get her done in this week. And still work on some other stuff I need to work on too. But until then, thanks for watching.